roll the red carpet back out. You know what I'm saying? I have to run that back for you. You know what I'm saying? I have to run it back for you. Let's do it. All right. Yo. OBO.
Yeah, they like fucking on my groove, but they can't stop shit. Pull up with your boo and the Draco. Press. You look good as hell in a little dress, but I ain't gon' sweat you. They do it good, but I do this shit the best. I keep it curious.
Roll the red carpet back out. You know what I'm saying? I have to run that back for you. You know what I'm saying? I have to run it back for you. Let's do it. All right. Yo.
I won't even tryna fuck, I was asleep. She don't even wanna trick, she a boss. She don't even like to cut, she a lady. She don't let niggas fuck niggas lazy. She won't even let me fuck as a baby. Shit, I'm good either way.
It's a continuation of the previous shoots from Nigeria, and Davido just touched down US as they continued the shoot all through. Dababy was so happy receiving Davido, and you could see the joy radiating among the two superstars. Like, it's an amazing one, and we are still keeping our hands crossed because this one truly is definitely going to be a wonderful and a massive hit. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.